Right, I'm going to show you how I can repair this broken iPhone cable. It's only the insulations that's broken off. I'm going to use two materials. First is this PTFE pipe tape that you can buy from the hardware store. And then second is a length of a string, which you can use. I cut about 1 meter or about 3 feet of it so that I can wrap it around it. So you take a length of the PTFE pipe tape. About a couple of inches will do, because all you want to do is just wrap it up on the cable to act as the new insulation. So you grab hold of it on one end and then just wrap it round. It's fairly easy to do so, and fairly sticky once it gets onto each other, or rather once it wraps itself upon itself. So just cover it adequately, focusing on the missing insulation to create a new barrier. Now this is PTFE tape, which is quite strong, so it's a good material to use as a substitute for the insulation that's broken off. And as you wrap it round, you will rapidly find that it sticks upon itself, and after a while you just really can't undo it. So just tighten it up that way, okay? And then you take the length of string, leave a sizable length out so that you can knot it later on when you finish wrapping the whole portion. So hold on to one part of it and just wrap over itself to tighten it, and then continue wrapping, focusing on, again, the area where the insulation has broken off. It's actually fairly easy to do so, and you don't really need to do it properly. I'm actually not doing it pretty well here, but you get the idea, right? You can generally make sure that you cover the area, which is what I'm doing right now. Cover the area that doesn't have any insulation, so that you get both the PTFE tape as well as the string acting as a new insulation, a new material, right? So just continue doing so in an even fashion. Mine isn't very even here at all, but I'm sure you can do a better job than I can do here. Okay, just so speed it up if you want. There's nothing much is going to happen until I finally get to the end, which then allows me to tie up the loose end, so to speak. And that's it, right? So I've reached the end of about 3 feet, I think, about 1 meter of it. And I'm not going to do a very good job of tying it, partly because I've got to video it at the same time, but you get the idea. A couple of dead knots here will do the trick, and then just snip it off, and that should do the trick. Now, the other thing that you might want to use is a dab of glue once you've finished tying it and made a knot, so that the knot doesn't have any chance of coming out at all. That's another good thing. I haven't shown you, but you can always just get a bit of glue and do that yourself as well. You can tell that I'm not having a great time tying a knot here, so I'm just going to stop narrating, and you get the picture if you want to watch towards the end. But pretty much that's it. Hope that it holds your new cable together. All right, thanks.